Hush now, don't you cry. Just wipe away a teardrop from your eyes. You're lying safe in bed. It was all the bad dreams spinning in your head. Your mind tricked you to feel the pain of someone close to you within the game of life. So here it is, another chance. Wide awake, you face the day your dream is over, or has it just begun? There's a place I like to hide, a doorway that I run through in the night. Relax, I knew you were there, but only didn't realize, and you were scared. It's a place where you will learn to face your fears, retrace the years, and wipe the winds of your mind. Commanding in another world, suddenly you hear and see this magic new dimension. Watching over you, I'm gonna help you see through. We'll protect you in the night. I'm smiling next to you. It's silent lucidity.
Début août, c'est sous un soleil de plomb et dans un endroit très dégagé que je rencontre cette belle femelle brochée. Son œil opaque m'indique qu'elle est aveugle du côté droit. Je peux donc l'approcher plus facilement et me permettre même de la toucher du bout des doigts. Sa robe claire, son isolement, sa tenue sur le fond proviennent de la température de l'eau.